Your diet and drink choices have a significant impact on your physical, mental, and even spiritual health. A bad diet can prevent you from living a happy, balanced life every day and make simple tasks more challenging, in addition to raising your risk for disease and early aging in the future. If you're concerned about your own health and wellness, you're probably always searching for the most recent studies on various food types and the unique advantages they can have. In that case, you'll be very curious to learn more about celery juice, one of the hottest superfoods on the market right now that many claim to have amazing health benefits. Following, you may find the full benefits of celery juice.
So, why celery juice? Celery juice reduces weight and lowers blood cholesterol and blood pressure, including improvement of thyroid problems. Studies have shown that drinking celery juice daily after you wake up in the morning before breakfast is an effective way of reducing weight and lowering high blood pressure. Celery has a high water content and lots of fiber. So when taking on an empty stomach, your food cravings will be suppressed and more likely not to eat a lot. Also, so your food intake is controlled as well. Your thyroid plays a vital role in your body's metabolism, which is a very good mechanism in digesting your food and keeping in your health and not gain weight rapidly. So to keep you healthy and going, try to make this on your own. The following ingredients will make up to 750 ml of celery juice. So here's the ingredients. Get 1 bunch of celery stalks, 1 inch of ginger, and then 15 pieces of green grapes. This would be optional as it will eliminate the grassy taste of celery and to give some sweetness in it. Here's how to make it. Wash all ingredients in water and cut the celery about 2 inches that is easy to put in the juicer so you can extract more juice. Also make sure to put them in the fridge as it will taste refreshing once it's cold, and then enjoy your fresh celery juice. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful at all. Please consider subscribing, giving it a like, and hitting that notification bell to get the latest upload from us. It really does help the channel grow. So before we end this video, is celery one of your favorite vegetables? If so, we would like to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye for now.